Hey YouTube, CaILLou. Hey YouTube, the Supercar Day 237 here. This tired Dora start the day in McFun, but pour fire line and warm my fire Ungrounded. Me Bobby, the Supercar Day 237 and Dora. Hey Jeffy, Annie, you see some? You get ghostly. Thought that new fee. Like some TV or something like that. I need to behave. I need to behave. Behave. You will get and get me for the day. Got it? Got it. Good. What they got, woman? Wow. All these gaming me look like a how to something to do. Ooh, the toys. I wanna get to made Jay, can I use the bathroom? I do. Wait, is a firewall? Hey, put it out. Hey, put out. Okay. It's time to. I'll go put out to. Hey. Hey, stop right there. There. Hey, what are you doing? We pour out a fire line. You cannot start to pour out fire line. Yeah, I will. No, you don't. Yeah, I will. No, you don't. Maybe call you a door. Hey, Jeffy, you not got my television want to take to stop put on that try to put up the fire line. I won't want. I need to tell your brother day. Oh, Day, you won't believe your butt today. He's trying to pull out of a fire alarm. Fire alarm? Yeah. Day's gonna be do it. Just go to bed there. Yeah, bye. Daffy, you go in car and we go home one day in May. And you're gonna stay here till you will be in. Huh? No. Huh? No. Too bad. Come on, let's go. No. Stop it. Time don't want. Thank you for start the people be firewall. No it is a way to try for a lot. Ever do. We will be on ground for a while. You can do that to everyone. They do. At the McFun family's house. Jeffrey, we cannot believe we just trying for bottom one at Walmart. You know, point bottom one is not fine and fun matter. It is you go. We had a message to get help with the fire alarm, and that's it. You never pull out someone who wants for fun. And look at that. You remember from one. Now go. And we'll right now. We're gonna talk about this later. Okay. That's that my sport. Your bad hand brother will but Debbie is Debbie is. Yeah, no. Oh my brother. She should be stay. No, she should be she should be stay home with me ever high here from sit or should be stay home and stay room. Yeah, I know. That's the end on the video. Be time to like, subscribe to more content. I hope you to enjoy. Bye.